Yes guys, we're gonna need glue sticks. We're gonna need silver glitter. This is the color that I'm working with today. You can use whatever color you want. And Mod Podge. Also, we're gonna need a glue gun to achieve this look right here. So we're gonna first start out by squeezing out some of the glue until you get the amount, the size that you want. I want a Bohemian 10-cent size, is fine with me. So I'm gonna pour out like 5 of those so we could have a lot to work with. And guys, please let this like cool down for a second. Do not touch this. This is very hot, very dangerous. I had to learn from experience. So when I already get it into its shape, once you let it cool down for a minute, it's gonna form into like a nice complete circle. You're gonna see it. You see that? Yes. So it's still not dry, but I can go ahead right now and I'm gonna sprinkle my glitter all over that. Yes. So what I'm doing right now is I'm letting it sit into the glue, and after it's dry, you can be able to pick it up. Like right now, trying to pick it up off the table because it's really hard. It's safe for you to touch. And then this is where my Mod Podge comes in, and all I do, I use my finger for this one, guys. All I do is just get my Mod Podge ready. Where's my Mod Podge? Hello? Oh, there you are. Yes. So I just get my Mod Podge ready, and I just use my finger and I just dap it on the glitter, because my glitter is already stick to the glue, but I wanted to make sure that it's not gonna come off every time that they touch it. So that's the only thing that I do. Oh, sorry, it dropped, but it's okay. I'm gonna dap it again, and it's gonna dry, and then I'm gonna end up with something nice and cute and shiny, and you can't tell me that I didn't buy this at the store. Hello? What? Yeah, so this is all I'm doing is just dapping it on with my finger. Just dapping it on, and I let it dry. Like, you could let it dry up to an hour if you want to, but 45 minutes it be dry. And after it's dry, I'm gonna show you a little example of how I put it on to the headboard. But yeah guys, that is my little DIY of making me some nice, look at that, nice buttons, inexpensive buttons I had to come up with to do this for a customer. So here it is. Thanks guys for watching. Please do subscribe. Don't you think that's cute? Ooh.